Public Financial Management, Good Practices by Dicalo Consulting. International Workshop for Strategic Public Finance Management and Corporate Governance Seminar Dubai, UAE. www.dicalo.com, the 9th to the 13th of December 2020. Facilitator name, nhyira, MSc, UAE CA. Outline I Framework A. Expenditure Management Cycle 3B. 3 Objectives 4C. 5 Principles 5.2. Good Practices 6A. Basic Institutions 7B. Core Processes 8. 3. Budget Execution. Objectives 9A. Core Treasury Functions 10B. Contingent Liabilities 11C. Expenditure Control Approaches 12. 1. Central versus Delegated Control 13.2. General Tensions 14D. Managing Well 15E. FMIS 16. F. Essential of Good Financial Management 22. Expenditure Management Cycle Financial Management System Boundaries Planning System Project Appraisal Medium-term Plans, e.g. 3-year rolling plans. Resource Allocation Annual Budgets Development, Recurrent and Revenue Expenditure Review Public Expenditure Review Accountability Institutions Fund Release Procedure, e.g. warranting. Audit System Reports and Financial Statements Accounting for Revenue and Expenditure 3 Objectives of Public Expenditure Management Systems Macrofiscal Discipline and Stability Avoid Public Finance Crises. Support economic growth and stability. Strategic allocation of resources match government policy with programs. Objectives technical efficiency getting the most from spending. 4. Basic principles of PEM comprehensiveness include all revenue and expenditure, all agencies accuracy record actual transactions and flows annuality cover a defined period of time e.g. 1-year budget, multi-year forecasts. Authoritativeness only spend as authorized by law transparency information on spending is public, timely, understandable 5 What are good practices, attaining and maintaining good basic institutions. Basic public finance institutions must work well for good policy and program outcomes. Too often countries reach for advanced OECD reforms, neglecting basic institutions' dedication to continuous system examination, learning and improvement. Institutional development is long-term. 6 What are the basic institutions? External audit 7 Core processes, asset management, procurement, contracting, payroll personnel MNT. Internal control, program management, spending commitments recording and reporting, payment orders, verification of receipt of goods, services, program cash plans. Financial management is everyone's responsibility. And service delivery is also MOF's responsibility. 8 Objectives of budget execution, manage spending and revenues to budget, support choices of elected officials, allow budget to be planning and steering tool, promote macrofiscal discipline. Reduce opportunities for corruption, enable program implementation, service delivery, assure resources flow to programs, allow budget to be aid to operational efficiency through spending unit advanced planning, efficient administration. Enable program managers to achieve Objective 9 Core treasury functions, cash management, flow